Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to resize an entire photo or document in Photoshop. So instead of just resizing this element or this element of the document, you can resize the whole thing. So I'm going to go over here to image and click on image size. And this panel will come up, and these are all the different things that you can change. You can change the width, height, resolution, change the resample. I would recommend just leaving that checked unless otherwise. I'm gonna move that because that was creepy. Okay, so here you can adjust the width and the height, and when this little button is clicked, that means that the width and height are locked. So when you adjust one of them, it will proportionally automatically adjust the other. So if I type 6 into this, I'm set to pixels. Okay, if I type 6 into width, it'll automatically adjust height to be 4. And if I type 2 into height, it'll automatically adjust the width to be 2. Now, if I uncheck this, I can change it to whatever I want and it won't affect the height. But I don't recommend in most cases doing that because, as you can see, let me do it a little bit more dramatically, that stretches the image disproportionately. So it won't ensure that the image is the same quality, and sometimes just makes images look kind of funky if they're not checked to be proportional. Move that again. So do it one more time, 6, and it automatically adjusts it to 4 proportionally. Now, if you're adjusting something for, let's say you're adjusting something for a website and you need it to be, you have the specification set that you need it to be a resolution of 72. So you can come here and you can adjust it to 72. And most of the time it will automatically adjust these two. I'm not entirely sure why it didn't. Let me try. Okay, it didn't adjust that. I think it might just be if you're in pixels. So another thing that you can do is change these increments of measurements to, I'm going to change that first, change that to pixels. So you can see that now you are in pixels instead of inches. And this is, again, beneficial for if you're adjusting something for a website, and let's say you're trying to fit something onto the website in a box that's 300 by 200 pixels. So you can adjust the measurement to pixels, and then you can go here and you can change the resolution, and this is where it'll automatically adjust the pixels for you. So you have to be set to pixels to have the resolution and the size be linked. And then you can still go and change it to 300 by 200. But if you adjust the resolution first, it'll automatically adjust the size for you to be fitting 300 by 200. So that's the overview. You click OK and it'll resize it for you. And as you can see, that's how big it is at 50%. So if you want to see what it's going to look like at 100%, you just zoom in. And that's how big the image will be at 100%. You can tell that up here on the top. So that's the overview of how to adjust the image size. And again, if you have any other specific questions, just let me know and I can make another video. Thanks, guys.